Hare Krishna. So, dear student, this is my 5th video, and the last video we have studied about the chain rule. The chain rule that is applicable for the composite function. And what do you mean by the composite function? The combination of a two or more than two function, it is said to be as a composite function. So, the chain rule we have taken on the every formula, that is the ddx of x to the power n, root x, 1 upon x to the power n, sine, cos, tan, sec, cosec, cot, as well as log x e to the power x, isn't it? Now, an important example we have to take on chain rule. Here, what you have to do? Directly you don't have to use the chain rule, that is by substituting u and all these things, isn't it? आपण मागच्या वेळेला chain rule मध्ये बघितलं u ठेवून एकदा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह and u बरोबर जे आहे त्याचे डेरिव्हेटिव्ह. But some examples are there. See which type of examples now I am going to take, and there what you have to do actually, and that is an important example, the very important example which is asked in the board, which is also asked in CET. In that way you have to take it seriously, very seriously. So see the examples on again chain rule, and here an important example on chain rule. See the first example. Suppose I consider log of e raised to 4x root of x square 2x square plus 5 divided by 5 minus 3x. See, now again in the last video we have studied you have to substitute u and find out the derivative, and whatever the u you have substituted you have to find out the derivative of that function. म्हणजेच काय, u ठेवून एकदा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह आणि u बरोबर जे आहे त्याचे डेरिव्हेटिव्ह, isn't it? So but here this is not the case. Suppose you substitute the u, log u चे derivative, that is 1 by u. Again for this two function you have to apply multiplication rule. Again there is a root, again there is a division. If you try to do like that, that is very lengthy and the answer should also you not get properly, isn't it? Therefore what you have to do? First you have to simplify the function with the help of the laws of logarithm. You have to use the laws of logarithm and simplify the function. Now see, you know the first rule, that is log AB. What is log AB? Log of A plus log of B. Now this e to the power 4x you have to consider it as a, and this second function you have to consider it as a b, right? Therefore what you have to do? First you have to simplify, then you have to find out the derivative with the help of a chain rule. First you have to simplify the function with the help of the laws of a logarithm. Remember this, because these are the very important example. Now here you have to write log of e raised to 4x plus log of 2x square plus 5 divided by 5 minus 3x whole raised to power 1 by 2, because I have get the I eliminate this root, and if you eliminate the root you have to give the power 1 by 2, isn't it? Again you know log of a raised to m. Suppose log of a raised to m, then m you can multiply it here and log a like this. Here also what you have to do? Here 4x you can multiply it here and log e remain as it is, right? Again this 1 by 2 and log of 2x square plus 5 divided by 5 minus 3x, right? Again you know the rule, say the log of a by b means what here? Log of a minus log of b, right? Here again y is equal to 4x. What is the value of a log e? That is 1. Therefore no need to write this. Log e, it is equal to 1. Half remain as it is, and here you have to apply log of a divided by b. Log of a divided by b means log of a minus log of b means log of 2x square plus 5 minus log of 5 minus 3x, right? Now you can differentiate with respect to x. See here, differentiate with respect to x. See, dy by dx. Apply now chain rule. What is the derivative of a 4x? 4. When the constant, it is multiplied to the function, again constant remain as it is and take the derivative of a function, right? Half remain as it is. Here again you have to substitute u. Log u's derivative 1 by u means 1 upon 2x square plus 5. And what is the derivative of a 2x square? 2 remain as it is. X square derivative 2x means here you have got 4x. And the derivative of a 5, that is always equal to 0 because this is the constant function. Again, log u's derivative, that is 5 minus 3x, you have to substitute as a u. Log u's derivative 1 by u, 1 upon 5 minus 3x. Again, what is the derivative of a 5? 0. And minus 3x derivative, किती येते? Minus 3, right? Therefore, here you have got minus 3. See, this 4, 1 by 2. Again, this is 4x divided by 2x square plus 5 minus minus plus 3, 5 minus 3x. Now, this is the addition of a fraction here. This is the addition of a two fraction. No, you can simplify this also. See, you can simplify. That is 4 plus 1 by 2. Cross multiplied. You can make the cross multiplication. With this 4x you can multiply it here. 4x into 5, that is 20x. 4x into minus 3x, that is minus 12x square. Again here also you can multiply. 2x square into 3 you can write as a 6x square. And again 3 into 5 you can write as a 15. Divided by, here again 2x square plus 5 into 5 minus 3x. No need to simplify this two bracket. याला simplify करण्याची गरज नाही. Therefore dy by dx, it is equal to 4 plus 1 by 2. Here again 20x, that is 12x minus 12x square plus 6x square, that is equal to minus 6x square plus 20x and plus what here? 15, divided by 2x square plus 5 and 5 minus 3x. Right? So this is about the chain rule, but these are the important example from chain rule. Here see the difference. लास्ट एपिसोड किंवा लास्ट व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण काय केलं? यू ठेवत गेलो, डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढत गेलो. पण इथे इफ यू सबस्टिट्यूट यू, दॅट इज टू लेंदी. 2-3 पेजेस तरी आपल्याला लागतील आणि तरीही हे उत्तर येणार नाही. राईट? देअरफॉर व्हॉट यू हॅव टू डू? फर्स्ट यू हॅव टू सिम्प्लिफाय द फंक्शन विथ द हेल्प ऑफ द लॉज ऑफ लॉगरिथम. यू नो द लॉज ऑफ लॉगरिथम आणि मी आत्ताच लिहून दिले तुम्हाला. आत्ताच इथे आपण स्टेट केले सगळे. देअरफॉर हिअर this you have to consider as a, this you have to consider as a b. Log ab means log of a plus log of b. Therefore log of e to the power 4x plus log of 2x square plus 5 divided by 5 minus 3x whole to the power 1 by 2, because I have eliminated this root, and if you eliminated the root then you have to give the power 1 by 2. Again 4x come here, log e remains as it is. हा 1 by 2 पण इकडे येतो. log of 2x square plus 5 divided by 5 minus 3x. Again, what is the value of a log e? The log e, it is nothing but 1. Therefore 4x as it is. Again half. Again log of a by b means log of a minus log of b means log of 2x square plus 5 minus log of 5 minus 3x. Isn't it? Again dy by dx. What is the derivative of a 4x? 4. 1 by 2 remain as it is. Here again you have to apply the chain rule. Substitute u. Log u's derivative 1 by u means 1 upon 2x square plus 5. And what is the derivative of a 2x square? That is equal to 4x. Again log u, that is 5 minus 3x. Again 1 by u means 1 upon 5 minus 3x. The derivative of a 5, that is 0. And what is the derivative of a minus 3x? That is minus 3. This minus 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 plus. And again, since this is the addition of a two fraction, you can cross multiply. While making the cross multiplication, 4x into 5 you will get 20x. 4x into minus 3x minus 12x square. 3 into 2x square 6x square, and 5 3s are 15. Isn't it? And simplify, you will get the result. Isn't it? So this is about the chain rule, an important example from chain rule. Again I will take another problem. See here, another one. Here again y is equal to log of a to the power x root x. Here again 3x square plus 4 divided by 5 minus 4x square whole to the power 4 by 3. Again the same procedure. With the help of the laws of logarithm, first you have to simplify the function. Right? Laws of logarithm च्या साह्याने पहिल्यांदा फंक्शनला सिम्प्लिफाय करायचे. Now see here. First you have to simplify the function. Again, this you have to consider as a, this you have to consider as a b. Therefore, log ab means log of a plus log of b. Log of a raised to x root x means what here? What is the power here? 1. And here 1 by 2. 1 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 3 by 2. Isn't it? Therefore, the power of this, that is x root x. X चा power किती येतो? 3 by 2. Right? Again, log of 3x square plus 4 divided by 5 minus 4x square whole raised to 4 by 3. Right? Again, if you observe this, हा power इकडे multiplied होतो. X root x means what is the power of x? X to the power 3 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1, that is 3 by 2. हा power इकडे येतो. Again, x to the power 3 by 2 log a. Right? Now again this power multiplied here, and again log of a divided by b means log of a minus log of b. Log of 3x square plus 4 minus log of 5 minus 4x square. Right? Simple. Now you can differentiate. Now we have simplified the function. Now here differentiate with respect to x. See, dy by dx. Here, what is the derivative? Here the log a, when the constant it is multiplied to the function, constant remain as it is, log a remain as it is. What is the derivative of x to the power 3 by 2? That is 3 by 2, x to the power 1 by 2. Again, when the constant, again 4 by 3, it is multiplied to the function, so the constant remain as it is. Here again you have to take the derivative of this function, that is log u ची derivative 1 by u, 1 upon 3x square plus 4. Again, what is the derivative of a 3x square? 6x minus 1 upon 5 minus 4x square. Here again, what is the derivative of a 5? 0. And what is the derivative of a minus 4x square? That is equal to minus 8x. Right? Now again, this 3 by 2. X to the power 1 by 2 means root x. Log a remain as it is. 4 by 3 also remain as it is. Here again 6x divided by 3x square plus 4 minus minus plus 8x divided by 5 minus 4x square. Again, since this is the addition of a two fraction, you can simplify the function. See, here again, this is 3 by 2 root x log a remain as it is. Here again 4 by 3. See, the cross multiplication. Here you have to multiply with 6 to this 5 minus 4x square. 6x into 5, that is equal to 30x. 6x into minus 4x square, that is 24x cube. Again, with this you have to multiply, that is 8x into 3, that is 24x cube. Right? 8x into 3x square, 8 3s are 24 x cube. And again 8x into 4, that is equal to 8 4s are 32x divided by 3x square plus 4. And here again 5 minus 4x square. Right? Again this get cancelled, and what is remain here? The result is 3 by 2 root x log a plus 4 by 3 into here. This get cancelled. 30x minus 32, 30x plus 32x, that is equal to 62x, and divided by 3x square plus 4, and here 5 minus 4x square. Right? This is the result. Isn't it? This is the second problem. Again, the third important problem, see here, that is log of y is equal to log of x plus root of x square minus a square divided by x minus root of x square minus a square. See this. Again, if you observe this, suppose you substitute u. Again log u ची डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 1 by u. Again apply division rule. परत रूट मध्ये फंक्शन आहे, that is too lengthy. Here again you can apply the laws of logarithm. Log of a divided by b means log of a minus log of b. That is also little bit lengthy. Therefore here you can perform the rationalization. If you make the rationalization, the function get reduced and it is easy to find out the derivative, isn't it? So make the rationalization. X plus root of x square minus a square divided by x minus root of x square minus a square. Now you have to make the rationalization of a denominator. So multiplied with x plus root of x square minus a square divided by x plus root of x square minus a square. Now again, if you observe this, y is equal to log of, see here, x plus root of x square minus a square, x plus root of x square minus a square, same term, x into x, x square. In the same way, x plus root of x square minus a square whole square. And in the denominator, again if you observe this, x minus root of x square minus a square, x plus root of x square minus a square. This is just like a minus b, a plus b. Then what you have to do? Square of a first term minus the square of a second term. So if you make the square of x, that is x square. And here minus. You have to make the square of this. And when you make the square of the square root, that is root of x square, that is nothing but what here x. जेव्हा तुम्ही रूटचा स्क्वेअर करता, रूट गेट एलिमिनेटेड, रूट निघून जातं. Then what is remain here? Say minus here x square minus a square. Right? Again see here, y is equal to log of x plus root of x square minus a square, very very important example, whole square. And here you have got x square minus x square plus a square, right? So minus x square plus x square get cancelled. Now here, this you have to consider as a, this you have to consider as a b. Log of a by b, it is nothing but what here? Log of a minus log of b, means y is equal to log of x plus root of x square minus a square whole square and minus log of a square. Again, by the rule of logarithm, this 2 multiplied here, y is equal to 2 log of x plus root of x square minus a square and here minus 2 log a. Right? Now see, how will you find out the derivative? Now differentiate. Differentiate with respect to x. See the problem very carefully here. dy by dx. Again, this 2 remain as it is. Apply chain rule. Here you have to substitute u. Log u ची derivative 1 by u means 1 upon x root of x square minus a square. Right? Here again, what is the derivative of x1? And again, here you have to substitute u. Root u ची derivative 1 upon 2 root u x square minus a square. And here, what is the derivative of x square? That is 2x. And again, if you observe this, 2 log a, again it is independent of x, considered as a constant, and a constant ची derivative किती येते 0, right? Therefore the derivative of this function, it is equal to 0. Therefore no need to write this. Again this is 2 divided by x plus root of x square minus a square. Here again 2 to get cancelled, root of x square minus a square plus x divided by root of x square minus a square, right? And this is 0. Same term in the numerator, same term in the denominator get cancelled, and the result is 2 divided by root of x square minus a square. Here you have got the short trick for the entrance, right? याच्यावरून तुम्ही bunch तयार करू शकता. In place of a square, you can put any constant. You can give the plus sign also. Here also you can give the plus sign. You can give here minus sign, here plus sign. असं पण करू शकता. If you write 4 here, then your result is 2 divided by root of x square minus 4. If you write 25, then your result is 2 divided by root of x square minus 25. कुठलाही काहीही फरक पडत नाही. You will get the bunch like this. If you put 16, then again you will get 2 divided by root of x square minus 16. Even if you substitute 5, then also you will get 2 divided by root of x square minus 5, or if you substitute, if you write plus, then you have to give plus. In this way you will get the bunch and you will get the short trick for the entrance also, right? This is again the third important example, right? Now I will take the fourth important example. See, the chain rule. These are the very, very important example from the chain rule, isn't it? So again, suppose the function is like this, log of tan cube x e raised to 4x plus 5 and into log of x to the power 5, like this. Again if you substitute u, log u derivative 1 by u, again apply u v w, and again there is a power that is too complicated. Again with the help of the laws of logarithm you have to simplify the function. So many times I am going to tell here, many times I am telling you, that is with the help of a laws of logarithm, first you have to simplify the function and then apply the chain rule, isn't it? Again this is a, this is b, and this is c. Log ABC means what here? Log of a plus log of b plus log of c. Therefore here log of tan cube x plus log of e raised to 4x plus 5 plus log of see here, log x to the power 5, log x to the power 5, right? Again in the same way here, this 3 you can multiply here, 3 log of tan x, again 4x plus 5 into log e, but what is the value of a log e? That is equal to 1. Again this 5 multiplied here, 5 log of log x. Now differentiate with respect to x. See, now dy by dx. Here again 3 remain as it is. Apply chain rule. इथे u ठेवा. Log u चे derivative 1 by u, 1 upon tan x. And what is the derivative of a tan x? That is sec square x. Isn't it? Again, what is the derivative of a 4x? That is 4. And the derivative of a 5, that is 0. Again here you have to apply the chain rule. Here you have to substitute u. Log u, that is nothing but 1 by u, means 1 upon log x. And what is the derivative of a log x? That is 1 by x. So this is the result. This is the fourth important example, isn't it? Now again I will take the fifth one. Say, this is a, b and c. ABC means, log ABC means log of a plus log of b plus log of c, means log of tan cube x plus log of e raised to 4x plus 5 plus log of log x to the power 5. Now this power multiplied here, 3 log of tan x, 4x plus 5 into log e, but the value of a log e, that is 1. Again 5 multiplied here, log of log x, isn't it? Now you can differentiate. 3 remain as it is. Here again you have to substitute u. Log u, that is nothing but 1 by u, means 1 upon tan x. म्हणायचं u पण लिहायचं नाही. u बरोबर जे असेल ते लिहायचं, right? And what is the derivative of a tan x? That is sec square x. What is the derivative of a 4x? 4. And the derivative of a 5, that is constant, it is 0. Again 5 remain as it is. Again here you have to substitute u. The derivative of a log u, that is 1 by u, means 1 upon log x, and the derivative of a log x, that is equal to 1 by x. So this is the fourth example, fourth important example. Now again I will take the fifth one. See, fifth important example. Here again y is equal to log of fifth root of 1 minus cos 3x divided by 1 plus cos 3x. Right? Now see what you have to do again. This you can write as a log of 1 minus cos 3x divided by 1 plus cos 3x whole to the power 1 by 5. Because this is the fifth root, therefore the power is 1 by 5. Right? Again y is equal to this 1 by 5 remain as it is here. 1 by 5 here you can multiply, and again log of a by b means log of a minus log of b. Therefore log of 1 minus cos 3x minus log of 1 plus cos 3x. Right? Now see, now you can differentiate. Say differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx. This 1 by 5 remain as it is. Here again apply chain rule. This is u, log u derivative. 1 by u means 1 upon 1 minus cos 3x. Again the derivative of a 1, that is 0. And the derivative of a cos 3x, again here you have to substitute u. Cos u derivative minus sin u. This minus, that minus, minus minus plus means sin 3x. And what is the derivative of a 3x? Again 3. Here minus 1 upon 1 plus cos 3x, because this is u, log u derivative 1 by u. Again cos 3x, that is minus sin 3x. This minus 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 plus, and here you have got sin 3x. But what is the derivative of a 3x? That is equal to 3. Again, if you observe this, dy by dx, which term you can take common? If you take 3 sin 3x common, that is quite easy for you, sin 3x, and right here 1 upon 1 minus cos 3x plus 1 upon 1 plus cos 3x. Right? Now, this you can write as a dy by dx. It is equal to 3 by 5 sin 3x, and here you can make the cross multiplication. See here, 1 plus cos 3x plus 1 minus cos 3x, 1 plus cos 3x plus 1 minus cos 3x divided by, again it is just like a minus b, a plus b. 1 minus cos 3x, 1 plus cos 3x, that is nothing but 1 minus cos square 3x. A square minus b square means 1 minus cos square 3x. Right? See, cos 3x get cancelled. Right? What is remain here? 3 by 5 sin 3x. Here again 1 plus 1, 2. And 1 minus cos square 3x, it is nothing but sin square 3x, because sin square theta plus cos square theta, it is equal to 1. Therefore 1 minus cos square theta, it is nothing but sin square theta. Therefore 1 minus cos square 3x, it is nothing but sin square 3x. Right? Again 3 2s are 6, 6 by 5. 1 sin 3x get cancelled. What is remain? 1 upon sin 3x. Right? Again 6 by 5 remain as it is, and 1 upon sin 3x you can write as a cosec 3x. Again very important problem, isn't it? So in this way you have to do this. Right? So log of fifth root of 1 minus cos 3x divided by 1 plus cos 3x you have to do in the same method. याच मेथडनी करायचं आहे, आपलं कुठलंही हे करायचं नाही येते आगाऊपणा. You have to use this method and it is quite easy. Right? So this is the fifth important problem. Now I will take the sixth one. See here. Y is equal to log of cube root of 1 plus sin phi x divided by 1 minus sin phi x. Right? See, the same procedure you have to follow up. Very important for the board, for the CET, for the JEE. These are the basic things and you should know properly, isn't it? So be careful and see the video very carefully, isn't it? Again say log of, since there is a cube root, you can give the power 1 plus sin phi x divided by 1 minus sin phi x whole raised to power 1 by 3. Right? Again this 1 by 3 comes here. 1 by 3. This is log of a divided by b means log of 1 plus sin phi x minus log of 1 minus sin phi x. Right? Now you can differentiate easily. Differentiate with respect to x, right? dy by dx. When the constant, again it is multiplied to the function, constant remain as it is. Here again, this is again u. Log u चे derivative किती 1 by u means 1 upon sin phi x, right? Again the derivative of a 1 0. Sin phi x चे derivative काय ते cos phi x, but the derivative of a phi x that is equal to 5 minus 1 upon 1 minus sin phi x, because log u again 1 by u, 1 upon 1 minus sin phi x, again minus sign remain as it is, this minus and this minus, minus minus plus. And what is the derivative of a sin phi x? That is equal to cos phi x, and the phi x चे derivative 5, because again you have to apply the chain rule. इथे u ठेवतो आपण, sin u चे derivative cos u म्हणजेच cos of phi x आणि phi x ची 5, right? Again which term you can take common here? That is 5 cos x, 5 cos x you can take common, 5 cos x you can take common. What is remain? 1 upon 1 plus sin phi x plus 1 upon 1 minus sin phi x, right? See here again, that is 3 by 5 dy by dx. It is equal to 3 by 5 cos phi x, cos phi x you can take common, and here again simple cross multiplication, this into this, this into this, and this into this. Again 1 into 1 minus sin phi x means 1 minus sin phi x, right? Again 1 into 1 plus sin phi x, 1 plus sin phi x. Denominator it is again just like a minus b, a plus b, means the square of a first term minus the square of a second term, means 1 minus sin square phi x, right? Here 3 by 5 cos phi x, sin phi x get cancelled. Here again 1 plus 1 2, 1 minus sin square x, it is nothing but cos square phi x, right? Now this you can write as a 3 to the 6, 6 by 5. Again 1 cos phi x, 1 cos phi x get cancelled, 1 upon cos phi x, and 6 by 5. 1 upon cos means what here? Sec phi x, right? This is again the 6th important question from the chain rule, isn't it? So these are the very, very important example. Again I will take the 7th one. Say 7th example. Here again y is equal to log of e to the power root x plus e to the power minus root x. Again e raised to root x minus e raised to minus root x, right? Now again see how will you do this. Again apply the laws of logarithm. Log of a divided by b means log of a minus log of b, right? Log of e raised to root x plus e raised to minus root x. Again minus log of e raised to root x. You can convert the negative index into positive one also, isn't it? ते पण सोपं जातं. निगेटिव्ह इंडेक्सला जर पॉझिटिव्हमध्ये कन्वर्ट केलं तरी आपल्याला ते सोपं जातं. मायनस इथे e to the power root x, right? Now differentiate with respect to x, differentiate with respect to x. Here again dy by dx. चला log u ची डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 1 by u means 1 upon e raised to root x plus e raised to minus root x. Again what is the derivative? E raised to root x derivative e raised to root x, and what is the derivative of a root x? 1 upon 2 root x. E to the power minus root x derivative e to the power minus root x. Again the derivative of a root x, that is 1 upon 2 root x, and the minus sign, minus root x derivative minus 1 upon 2 root x. Therefore here you have to give the minus sign, right? Now see minus log uचे डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 1 by u 1 upon e raised to root x minus e raised to minus root x. Again here see little bit complicated, therefore see very carefully. Again log uचे डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 1 by u e raised to root x ची e raised to root x again 1 upon 2 root x. Minus sign remain as it is. E to the power minus root x derivative e to the power minus root x, and again the derivative of a minus root x, that is nothing but minus 1 upon 2 root x. This minus get cancelled, and again 1 upon 2 root x. Right? See here again. Again if you observe this, here e to the power root x, here again you can take 1 upon 2 root x, 1 upon 2 root x common. Here also you can take 1 upon 2 root x, 1 upon 2 root x common. पूर्ण याच्यातनं तुम्ही काय कॉमन काढू शकता? 1 upon 2 root x you can take common, and what is remain here? E raised to root x minus e raised to minus root x divided by e raised to root x plus e raised to minus root x. Here also minus sign, e raised to root x plus e raised to minus root x, and here again e raised to root x minus e raised to minus root x. See, here also 1 upon 2 root x, here also 1 upon 2 root x. Here you can take 1 upon 2 root x common, here also you can 1 upon 2 root x common. Therefore whole you can take 1 upon 2 root x common, and what is remain? This, isn't it? Again if you observe this, again 1 upon 2 root x remain as it is. Right? Now you cross multiplied. When you make the cross multiplication, e raised to root x minus e raised to minus root x. Again e raised to root x minus e raised to minus root x, same term. Therefore you can make the square of this, that is e raised to root x minus e raised to minus root x whole square. Right? Now here again e raised to root x plus e raised to minus root x, e raised to root x plus e raised to minus root x. Again if you multiply, again you will get the square, and this is the minus sign. E to the e raised to root x plus e raised to minus root x whole square divided by, again it is just like a plus b, a minus b, means the square of a first term e raised to root x square minus e raised to minus root x square. Right? This is little bit lengthy. 1 upon 2 root x. इथे मी छोटं छोटं काढते, थोडं लक्ष द्या सगळ्यांनी. Now if you observe this, if you make the square of this, you will get e to the power 2 root x. Right? You know the formula, that is a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square means a square minus twice ab plus b square, isn't it? Therefore the square of a first term twice the multiplication of a two term, इथे लक्ष द्या, twice e to the power root x into e to the power minus root x. मधली टर्म अशी येणार. Right? Now again if you observe this, the base is same. You can add indices, means root x minus root x you will get 0, and anything to the power 0, that is always equal to 1. Therefore 2 into 1 2, means here you have got 2. Right? Again the square of a second term, that is e to the power minus 2 root x. Similarly here also. Now what you have to do here, you have to simplify the bracket, that is a plus b whole square, and multiply with minus sign. काय करणार आहे मी? सिम्प्लिफाय करणार आहे आणि मायनस साईनने मल्टिप्लाय पण करणार आहे, कारण इथे थोडी जागा नाही आहे, त्यामुळे बघा आता इथे डायरेक्ट करत आहे आणि मायनस साईनने मल्टिप्लाय करते आहे मी. अगेन द स्क्वेअर ऑफ दिस टर्म अँड मल्टिप्लाय विथ मायनस साईन मीन्स मायनस e to the power 2 root x. Again the middle term you have got as a, see, twice the multiplication of a two term, 2 into e raised to root x into e raised to minus root x. Again base is same, you can add indices e to the power 0 and 2. Here the middle term you have got 2, but when you multiply with minus sign, minus 2. Right? Again the square of this term, that is e to the power minus 2 root x, when you multiply with minus sign, minus e to the power minus root x, 2 root x divided by, here again e raised to root x whole square means e to the power 2 root x. Here again e to the power minus root x whole square means e to the power minus 2 root x. Right? Again मी थोडं प्रॉब्लेम हे करते, इथे मिटवते. सी नाही तरी मी मिटवलं हे. Now see the simplification here. Here, if you observe this, e to the power 2 root x, e to the power 2 root x. This is minus, this is plus, get cancelled. Again, e to the power minus 2 root x, e to the power minus 2 root x. Again, plus minus get cancelled. Minus 2 that is equal to 4. Minus 4 means here dy by dx you have got as a 1 upon 2 root x. And here that is minus 2 that is minus 4 divided by e raised to 2 root x minus e raised to minus 2 root x, isn't it? Again, 2 2s are 4 means here you have got minus 2 divided by root x, and again e to the power 2 root x minus e to the power minus 2 root x. Alright. Again, if you want the second result, this is the first result. Again, you can write here the negative index you can convert into positive, minus 2 divided by root x. Here again e raised to 2 root x minus 1 upon negative you can convert into positive by taking in the denominator. Here you can write like this, isn't it? So the another result you will get, see, what can you do? This is minus 2, this is root x. Here you can make the cross multiplication. E to the power 2 root x, e to the power 2 root x means e to the power 4 root x minus 1 divided by e to the power 2 root x. Now again this come, it is in the न्यूमरेटर. ही टर्म कुठे न्यूमरेटरमध्ये येते. नो मायनस 2 ई रेस टू 2 रूट एक्स डिवायडेड बाय रूट एक्स आणि इथे ई टू द पॉवर 4 रूट एक्स मायनस 1. कधी कधी एंट्रन्समध्ये असे रिझल्ट्स असू शकतात. तर रिझल्ट्स वेगवेगळ्या फॉर्म्समध्ये असू शकतात. आता या प्रॉब्लेमचा हा एक फॉर्म झाला, हा सुद्धा एक फॉर्म झाला. कुठलाही रिझल्ट असू शकतो. वी डोंट नो, इजंट इट? देअरफोर जेवढं काय सिम्प्लिफाय होत असेल तेवढं त्या प्रॉब्लेमला सिम्प्लिफाय करायचं. ऑलवेज ट्राय टू सिम्प्लिफाय द प्रॉब्लेम, इजंट इट? अगेन I will take the 7th example. See here, important example. Again, y is equal to log of x plus root x divided by x minus root x. Here again, y is equal to log of, say, this is x plus, this you can reduce this. See here, if you observe this, x plus root x. Here x you can write as a root x into root x. Therefore, root x you can take common, and what is remain? Root x plus 1. Again here also root x you can take common. What is remain? Root x minus 1. So that you can reduce the function. Root x get cancelled. Again apply the laws of logarithm. Log of root x plus 1 minus log of root x minus 1. Right? Now differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx. Here again log u चे डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 1 by u, 1 upon root x plus 1. परत root x चे डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 1 upon 2 root x. Again apply chain rule. Log u 1 upon u means 1 upon root x minus 1, and again what is the derivative of a root x? 1 upon 2 root x. Again 1 upon 2 root x you can take common. What is remain here? 1 upon root x plus 1 minus 1 upon root x minus 1, isn't it? Now 1 upon 2 root x. Here again root x minus 1, cross multiplication minus root x minus 1 divided by, it is just like a plus b, a minus b, square of a first term minus the square of a second term. Root चा square केला तर root get eliminated. Root x whole square means x, and 1 square means here 1. Again root x get cancelled. What is the result here? That is, see, the result, that is 1 upon 2 root x. Here minus 1, that is equal to minus 2 divided by x minus 1. Again 2 to get cancelled. Here you have got minus 1 divided by root x and x minus 1. Right? So this is about an important example from chain rule, isn't it? Now see, again I will take more example here. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, isn't it? Now if you observe this example, this is little bit different, but this is important, right? An important example from chain rule. याच्या खालीच हे example मोडतात, right? आणि these examples always asked in the entrance. Now I will take the first example. See here, that is f of x is equal to, they have given as a, इथे छोट्या जागेत लिहिते आम्ही आता बघा, root of 7gx minus 3, and here g of 3 they have given here, g of 3 is equal to 4, g dash 3 is equal to 5, and you have to find out f dash 3. To find out f dash 3, first you have to find out f dash x, means you have to find out the derivative. Again see what you have to do, this is again in the form of a root. Again you have to apply the chain rule. इथे आपल्याला u ठेवायचं आहे, root u ची derivative 1/2 root u, right, minus 3. Again 7 remain as it is, and what is the derivative of a g of x? That is nothing but g dash x, and the derivative of a minus 3, that is 0. But what do you want to find out? F dash 3. Therefore f dash 3, it is nothing but 7, that is g dash 3. This x you have to replace with 3, again divided by 2 root of 7 g of 3 minus 3, isn't it? See here. Now you can substitute the value, 7 remain as it is, g dash 3. What is g dash 3? That is equal to 5. This 2 remain as it is, again 7, g of 3. What is g of 3? That is equal to 4 minus 3. 7 5s are 35 divided by 2. Again 7 4s are 28. 28 minus 3, that is equal to 25, and the root of 25, that is equal to 5. Isn't it? Again 5 7s are, and the result is 7/2. Such an example always asked in the entrance, isn't it? Now again see here the second example. Here this is the first one, isn't it? F of x is equal to root of 7gx minus 3. You want to find out f dash 3. First you have to differentiate f dash x, म्हणजेच काय इथे रूट u ची डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 1/2 रूट u, 1/2 रूट 7gx minus 3, right? Again 7 remain as it is, and what is the derivative of g of x? That is equal to g dash 3. But we want to find out f dash 3, therefore this x you have to replace with 3. The right hand side चा जो x है, that is also you have to replace with 3, therefore g dash 3. Here also you have to write 3, and then substitute the value 7. G dash 3, it is nothing but 5. G of 3, it is nothing but what here 4, therefore substitute 4. 7 5s are 35, 7 4s are 28, 28 minus 3 25, and the root of a 25, that is 5, 5 2s are 10. 5 7s are 35, means you have got the result, that is 7/2, isn't it? So this is the first example. Now see the second one. See here the second one. This is also little bit complicated. F of x is, they have given as a g of, in bracket 3 g of 5 g of x, bracket get closed, isn't it? Again you have to find out the derivative slowly here, that is f dash x. See, f dash x, right? Now again this total term, जी काय ब्रॅकेट मधली टर्म आहे, that you have to consider as a u. So g of u ची derivative g dash u, means here you can write g dash, bracket means here 3 g, again 5 g of x, bracket close, and again this bracket close. Again you have to take ddx of, हे u ठेवलं, u ठेवून डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढली. नाव अगेन यू हॅव टू फाइंड आउट द डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ ए 3g 5gx, right? Now again see here g dash 3g 5g of x, here bracket get close. Again when the constant, it is multiplied to the function, constant remain as it is, 3 remain as it is. Again you have to substitute this as a u. g of u ची डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय ते g dash u, that is g dash 5 g of x, right? again we want to find out, right? याची डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढायची. इथे यू ठेवलेले आहे आपण. अगेन दिस इज जी डॅश यू, right? And again, what is the derivative of this 5gx? 5 remain as it is, and the derivative of a g of x, it is nothing but g dash x, right? Now you have to substitute all the values here. See, g dash, we want to find out f dash 0. Therefore, f dash 0, it is equal to, means x you have to replace with 0. सगळीकडचा x कशाने रिप्लेस करायचा आहे? 0 नी. Here g dash in bracket 3, g, again 5, g of 0, bracket close, into 3, g dash, 5, g of 0, bracket closed, 5, g dash 0, right? Now here again, here I write, see f dash 0, g dash remain as it is. Here again 3 remain as it is, g also remain as it is. Now 5, what is g of 0? If you observe this, g of 0, it is nothing but what here? 0. Here you have got 0, bracket close, again into 3, g dash, again 5, what is g of 0? Again 0, right? Bracket close, and here 5, g dash 0, what is g dash 0? That is equal to 3, right? Now f dash 0, see here, g dash, again if you observe this, 5 into 0, 0, therefore here you have got, that is 3, 5 into 0, 0, therefore g of 0, here you have got g of 0, again 3, 5 into 0, 0, again g dash 0, 5 3s are 15, isn't it? Now f dash 0, here again g dash, see, g of 0, again 0, 0 into 3, you have got 0, again 3, g dash 0, that is equal to 3, right? This 3 remain as it is, but g dash 0, again 3, and this is 15 remain as it is. Again if you observe this, g dash 0, again 3, 3 into 3 into 3 into 5, right? Now 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 into 5, 5 7s are 35, 3 carry, 5 2s are 10, and 10 plus 3, that is equal to 135, isn't it? So this is the result, that is 135, right? 7 5s are 35, 5, 3 carry, 5 2s are 10, that is the result 135, isn't it? So this is about this problem, isn't it? You have to find out the derivative with the help of a chain rule. This you have to substitute as a u. G of u's derivative g dash u means g dash, this remain as it is, 3g of 5gx. Again since this is u, you have to find out the derivative. 3 remain as it is, and what is the derivative of a g of 5gx? That is g dash 5gx. See here, this remain as it is, and again 3 remain as it is, this is g dash 5g of x. Since this is u, again you have to find out the derivative. 5 remain as it is, again g of x derivative g dash x. Since we want to find out f dash 0, therefore all this x you have to replace with 0, isn't it? Therefore f dash 0, this is g dash 3, this is again 0, this is again 0, and this is also 0, right? G of 0, it is nothing but what here? 0. Therefore 5 into 0, 0. Therefore here you have got 5 into 0, 0, g of 0. Again g of second term here, that is g of 0, it is equal to 0. 5 into 0, 0. Therefore here you have got, that is 3 g dash 0. And here also g dash you have got as a 0, isn't it? And substituting the value here, 0 into g of 0. Let us take the third example, that is h of x is equal to, what is that third example? Root of 4f of x plus 3g of x, right? Where they have given as a, see, f of 1 is equal to 4, they have given. Again g of 1 also it is equal to 3, f dash 1 it is equal to 3, and f g dash 1 is equal to 4, and we have to find out h dash 1, right? Let us take this example here. See, again very simple. Again, you have to find out, that is h dash 1 means first you have to differentiate this h dash x. Again, here you have to substitute u. Root u's derivative 1 upon 2 root u means 4f of x plus 3g of x. Right? Again you have to take d dx of 4f of x plus 3g of x. Right? Now again, see, I will rub this so that the problem get clear to you. See, very simple one. Now again, 1 upon 2 root of 4f of x plus 3g of x remain as it is. Right? Here 4 remain as it is. What is the derivative of f of x? You can write as a f dash x. Again 3 remain as it is. What is the derivative of a g of x? That is g dash x. Isn't it? Therefore here again, but you want to find out h dash 1, therefore x it is replaced with 1. Here also in the result you have to replace x with 1 here. Therefore you have to write f dash 1, 3g dash 1 divided by 2, 4f of 1 and 3g of 1. Right? Now h dash 1, 4 remain as it is. What is f dash 1? See here, if you observe this, f dash 1 it is equal to 3. 3. What is g dash 1? G dash 1 it is equal to 4 divided by 2, again 4. What is f of 1? That is equal to 4. 3. What is g of 1? 3. Right? Again 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. Here 2 remain as it is. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 9, that is equal to 25. Again, this is 24. 2. And here, the root of 25, that is 5. 2 12s are 24, means you have got 12 divided by 5. Right? This is about the third example. And again, I will take the last example here, the last important example. Here also you will get the bunch here, that is y is equal to log of sec 3x plus tan 3x. Now here the result is you have got as a 3 sec 3x. See, if there is a 3x, you will get 3 sec 3x. If there is a 2x, 2 sec 2x. If there is a 5x, you will get 5 sec 5x. Right? Whatever the term here you will get, the result is this. Right? This is the result. Right? Now see, how will you find out? Very simple. Again here you will get the short trick, dy by dx. See, log u's derivative 1 by u means 1 upon sec 3x plus tan 3x. Again d dx of sec 3x. What is the derivative of a sec 3x? Here you have to substitute u. Sec u's derivative sec u, sec 3x, tan 3x, and the derivative of a 3x 3. Tan u means tan x derivative sec square x means tan 3x sec square 3x, and again the derivative of a 3x, that is equal to 3. Now you can take 3 sec 3x, you can take common. What is remain? Tan 3x plus sec 3x divided by here sec 3x plus tan 3x. Right? Now the same term in the numerator, same term in the denominator get cancelled. Here you have got 3 sec 3x. So again you will get the bunch like this. See, suppose you write log of sec x plus tan x. What is the result? Directly you can write as a sec x. Suppose you write log of sec 5x tan 5x. What is the result directly? 5 sec 5x. Right? Suppose you write log of sec 7x tan 7x. What is the result here? That is 7 sec 7x. So in this way you can find out the bunches and you will get the short trick also, right? तर अशा प्रकारच्या गणितांचे तुम्हाला short tricks मिळतात, and that is very very important. Again the last example important I will get here. I will take, that is log of cosec x minus cot x. Again the result is, that is cosec x. See how will you get cosec x? The result, direct result. Again dy by dx. Log u चे derivative 1 by u 1 upon cosec x minus cot x. What is the derivative of a cosec x? Minus cosec x into cot x. And what is the derivative of a cot x? Minus cosec square x. Minus minus plus cosec square x. Right? Now you can take cosec x common. If you take cosec x common from the numerator, you will get minus cot x plus cosec x divided by, here again, cosec x minus cot x, right? Now cosec x minus cot x get cancelled. What is the result here? Cosec x. Now again you can make the bunch. If there is a 3x, if there is a 3x, the result is 3 cosec 3x. If there is a 2x, there is a 2x, the result is 2 cosec 2x. If here is a 5x, 5x, then the result is 5 cosec 5x. Right? So this is about the chain rule, and this is the second span of the chain rule. The first span, I have told you all the problems depending upon all the formulas, and this is the very very important important problem from the chain rule. Very very important. So to be very careful about this problem. These problems are very very important in the point of the view of the board exam, CET exam, also the JEE exam, isn't it? And here, if you like my video, please share it and subscribe my channel.